An East Asian woman runs her thumb along a stitched leather handle, considering the bag carefully before buying it as a gift.
Leather bags travel with us everywhere, to work, to school, to weddings, carrying laptops, passports, and our most private belongings. Yet almost nobody who owns a leather bag has ever wondered where that finished, polished product actually began its journey. Long before becoming a finished product, it was something far rougher, heavier, and far less glamorous than the bag we know. Behind every luxury leather bag lies a hidden industrial journey, one most people never see and few would ever expect. Large trucks pull into the factory receiving yard, carrying tightly packed bundles of raw cattle hide from regional slaughterhouses.
The curing salt looks consistent on this lot. Okay, let's mark that as approved.
Forklifts move pallet after pallet of raw hide from the truck bed steadily toward the cold storage area. Raw hides wait briefly inside cold storage, kept fresh and protected before the cleaning and processing stages begin. At this stage, the raw hide looks nothing like leather yet. Heavy, inconsistent, with visible imperfections across every piece. Careful unloading and immediate cooling protect the raw hide, since bacteria and decay could ruin material before production even starts. Raw hides tumble inside large, rotating drums filled with water and mild cleaning agents to remove leftover salt. Workers manually inspect each cleaned hide afterward, carefully trimming away damaged or unusable sections before further processing continues. This preparation stage makes consistency possible. Without it, later dyeing and cutting would produce unpredictable, uneven results. Cleaned hides load into massive rotating tanning drums, where chemical solutions begin transforming raw material into true leather. Tanning agents penetrate deep into the hide fibers, preventing decomposition while giving the material new flexibility and strength. Inside the tanning drum, hides rotate slowly and steadily, absorbing chemical treatment evenly across every layer of material. Hides emerge from the tanning drums visibly transformed, no longer raw material but true, workable leather ready for shaping. Skilled cutters and computer-guided machines work together, positioning patterns carefully to minimize waste across each tanned leather sheet. Cutting patterns are placed carefully to avoid natural blemishes in the hide, ensuring the finest quality leather panels result. At this point, the leather already resembles something usable that, supple, uniform, and finally ready for the next shaping stage. Tanned leather passes through heavy rolling and pressing machines, flattening each sheet to a smooth, consistent final thickness. Dyeing tanks soak the leather in rich color baths, giving each hide its final deep brown, black, or tan tone. Some sheets absorb custom shades requested by designers, saturating evenly through carefully controlled color and chemical baths. After dyeing, the leather dries inside temperature-controlled chambers, locking in color evenly across every treated hide surface. Finishing coats are applied carefully, adding shine, texture, and water resistance to the newly dyed and dried leather. This stage determines nearly everything about the bag's final look. Color, softness, and grain locked in here. A careful mix of chemistry and mechanical precision transforms plain tanned hide into rich, finished, premium leather material. Finished leather sheets move steadily forward, ready to be cut into precise panels for each individual bag design. Leather sheets are cut into precise panels, front, back, sides, straps, and lining pieces pumied, following exact design templates. Computer-guided cutting tables trace exact templates onto the leather, ensuring every panel matches the bag's intended design precisely. Skilled workers at sewing stations begin stitching leather panels together, reinforced by industrial machines built for thick material. Heavy-duty industrial sewing machines guide thick thread through leather panels, creating strong, even seams along every bag edge. Piece by piece, the leather bag takes its final shape, moving closer to becoming a complete, finished product.
Interior lining panels are carefully inserted and stitched into place, giving each leather bag a finished, polished interior.
The bag now nears completion, its structure, hardware, and stitching all in place ahead of final inspection checks.
Straps are stretched and pulled firmly to check stress tolerance, ensuring they can support daily use for years.
Inspectors compare color consistency across each bag under bright lighting, catching any variation before approval for packaging.
This inspection step protects more than appearance toward. It protects trust, since every bag must meet the same standard. Approved leather bags move steadily forward along the line, ready to begin the packaging process for shipment. Labeling machines apply barcodes and batch codes to each box, allowing every bag to be tracked accurately. Sealed boxes travel steadily along conveyor systems, carrying finished leather bags toward the automated palletizing robots ahead. Robotic arms stack sealed boxes carefully onto pallets, moving in a smooth, precise, and repeating mechanical rhythm. Stacked pallets are wrapped tightly in protective plastic film, keeping every leather bag secure and clean for transport. Wrapped pallets of packaged leather bags sit ready, waiting to be moved into the facility's massive warehouse. Forklifts and automated guided vehicles move the palletized bags steadily from the packaging line into warehouse storage. Tall storage racks hold thousands of packaged leather bags at once, organized carefully by design, size, and destination.
Barcode scanners log every pallet's exact location into the inventory system, ensuring nothing gets lost in storage.
Automated systems glide quietly between towering racks, moving packaged leather bags efficiently across the vast warehouse floor. When orders are confirmed, forklifts pull the correct pallets carefully from storage toward the loading dock area. Pallets of packaged leather bags are staged neatly at the loading dock, ready for shipment and distribution outward.
Okay, drop it right there. Flush against the side. Clear. Going back for the next one.
Some shipments are loaded onto massive cargo ships, carrying leather bags toward international markets across the ocean. Other shipments move onto large freight planes, flying finished leather bags quickly toward distant international retail markets. From here, packaged leather bags begin their journey outward toward wholesalers, retail chains, and boutique stores worldwide. Trucks carrying packaged leather bags travel steadily along highways, moving distribution shipments toward stores across the country. Store staff carefully unpack each leather bag, checking its condition before preparing it for display on the shop floor. A female South Asian shopper walks into the store, drawn immediately toward the texture and craftsmanship of the leather bags displayed. The next time you see a leather bag, you'll know there's an entire hidden industrial world behind it.